Imagine for a moment a world where shadows dance with flames and the air is thick with the scent of roasting meat and freshly baked bread. What if I told you that within the stone walls of a medieval castle, nestled in its very heart, there existed a kitchen so grand it defied your wildest imaginations? A place where the relentless heat of fire never waned, where workers toiled unseen, feeding entire households of lords, ladies, and warriors. Step into this hidden realm, and you'll uncover the raw, untamed essence of a 14th century castle kitchen, a bustling factory of flavors and toil, far removed from the quaint culinary spaces we envision today. As you approach the imposing structure of the castle kitchen, your senses awaken. The first clue to its purpose is not the tantalizing aroma or the oppressive heat, but the very architecture that looms before you. Fortified like a fortress within a fortress, these kitchens were designed with purpose. They were constructed to withstand the fickle nature of fire, the very lifeblood of medieval culinary art, yet also a lurking enemy capable of annihilating all in its path. Envision an architect in the 1300s grappling with the challenge of containing massive flames within a wooden structure where one careless spark could spell disaster. The soul of the castle kitchen lies in its vastness, a testament to the demands of royal feasts and grand gatherings. Consider the kitchen built for John of Gaunt at Kenilworth Castle, a behemoth measuring 66 feet by 28 feet, rivaling the size of a modern 3-bedroom home. Its main fireplace, stretching an astounding 78 feet long, serves not just as a cooking space, but as a monument to human ingenuity. Imagine standing inside this cavernous chamber, your voice echoed by the high ceilings while multiple fires roar to life, the shadows flickering across the stone walls like ancient spirits at work. But not all kitchens were created equal. In stark contrast stands the compact kitchen of Portchester Castle, cramped and almost awkward in its dimensions. Historians whisper that it once served King Richard II, even if he never graced its threshold. Picture this modest space with a single central fire, its age evident amidst the innovations of the late 14th century. Here, the kitchen becomes a symbol of status and hierarchy, revealing the complexities of medieval life. A royal kitchen built for a treasure, shining a light on how social standing dictated the very spaces we inhabited. As we delve deeper into the designs that shaped these kitchens, marvel at the advanced features that would astonish even modern builders. The late 14th century kitchens showcased tiled floors, not merely for aesthetics, but as part of an ingenious drainage system that carried waste away, ensuring cleanliness in a chaotic environment. Picture the servants swiftly washing down the floors after grand feasts, the water flowing seamlessly away. A stark reminder of the sanitation standards that set these kitchens apart from the filth of the streets outside. Ventilation emerges as another marvel of medieval architecture. In an age when windows were seen as vulnerabilities, these kitchens adapted in remarkable ways. Envision the towering chimneys, rising 30 to 40 feet above, designed meticulously to draw smoke away from the bustling hearth. The delicate balance of airflow was crucial. Too little, and the air thickened with smoke. Too much, and flames raged wildly, devouring precious resources. This intricate dance illustrates the ingenuity of medieval builders striving for efficiency amidst chaos. As the centuries turned, a revolutionary change unfolded. Glazed windows appeared in kitchens, allowing natural light to flood into these once shadowy realms. Visualize the transformation as sunlight beams down through glass panes, illuminating the workers in their labor. A kitchen that once relied solely on flickering oil lamps and candles now basked in daylight, making the act of cooking a brighter, more inviting affair. This innovation not only changed the atmosphere, but also marked a significant shift in the perception of kitchen spaces. No longer merely functional, but also a place of warmth and life. Through these transformations, the Castle Kitchen stands as a testament to the resilience and creativity of those who labored within. Picture the bustling scenes, servants moving between flickering flames and the clattering of pots, the laughter of scullery boys mingling with the commands of head cooks. The atmosphere is electric, filled with a symphony of sounds and scents as meals are prepared to sustain the lives of many. Each day in this kitchen was a race against time, where the stakes were high, and each meal could either elevate or diminish the status of its lord. As we journey further, let us not forget the lesser-known kitchens, where the challenges of space and resources dictated a different kind of ingenuity. Imagine a small, cramped kitchen where every inch counts and creativity becomes the driving force behind sustenance. Here, the kitchen is a canvas for resourcefulness, where simple tools are wielded with skill, and where each meal crafted tells a story of resilience against the odds. The very act of cooking becomes a labor of love, revealing the heart and soul of those who fed the future generations. Amidst the chaos, moments of calm emerge. When meals are shared at long tables, laughter echoes off stone walls, and stories of valor are exchanged over steaming platters. Visualize this camaraderie as knights and ladies feast side by side, their bellies filled with sustenance born from the tireless efforts of those behind the kitchen doors. In these moments, the kitchen transcends its functional purpose, becoming a vital heartbeat of the castle itself, a place where life unfolds in all its delicious complexity. As the fire crackles in the background, consider the legacy of these kitchens and the profound impact they had on our understanding of social structures, culinary traditions, and architectural advancements. Each kitchen tells a tale, an intricate web of human experience woven into the very fabric of history. Today, we stand on the shoulders of giants, witnessing the echoes of their ingenuity in the kitchens we know today. In closing, let us journey forth with a renewed appreciation for the hidden labors that shaped our culinary heritage. The medieval castle kitchen, with its grand designs and humble realities, beckons us to remember the stories of those who toiled within its stone walls. As we explore our own kitchens today, let us carry with us the spirit of those medieval cooks, crafting meals not just for sustenance, but as a celebration of life, community, and history. Join us in this exploration of history, and together, let's uncover the layers of our past that continue to shape our present. If you found this journey enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow history enthusiasts. Your adventure into the depths of culinary history awaits.